afternoon. This is Dan with 24-Hour Floors. I just want to show off some of the remarkable work and how hard and responsible and detailed to oriented that 24-Hour Floor does. So we are running our grinder on the driveway. We are at a diamond bladed grinder. We are reversing, taking the surface off of the driveway. As you see, we are doing it by hand up by the door, all around the areas of the driveway. But as you can see, it's a remarkable process and it's very detailed. So I also would like to show off the garage. This is what we did about, I want to say maybe 30 days ago. So as you can see, it's very nice, it's very neat, it's very respectfully done. It's no divots, no cracks. You have a nice border along the back side of the wall. It's very organized, no more cracks, no more divots. So please get off that couch, call 24-Hour Floors and get your free estimate so you can see how remarkable our polyurea, polyaspartic is. So this is Dan in Jensen Beach. Call 24hourfloors.com and get your free estimate. Your pool deck, your garage, your patio, your sidewalks, all the above. It's a remarkable process, very thorough. Our guys are very trained.